embarking on Nifty's journey beyond boundaries and into uncharted territory. Well, Nifty is trading at uncharted territory. And the good news is that another round of fireworks for our stock market's quite likely. Our call of the day suggests uncharted territory should be the new normal for benchmark Nifty. The 5 big positive catalysts. 1. Investors are seen placing more importance on hopes of strong Q4 corporate India's profits than on the Fed's rate cut plans. 2. Friday's stronger than expected US jobs data provides more evidence that the US economy remains robust, which bodes well for corporate earnings growth. 3. India VIX at 11.61. 4. Oil prices are drifting lower towards $86.50 a barrel amidst massive profit booking from their 5-month high. 5. Metal stocks are likely to be in limelight as copper prices have surged to above $4.25 per pound in April, the highest in 14 months, as data showing an upswing in global manufacturing activity supported expectations of strong demand for base metals. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs net sold to the tune of Rs 685 crores. DIIs however net bought to the tune of Rs 3471 crores. Market breadth for the day however is likely to be positive. Sentiments likely to remain bullish. Nifty's technicals are suggesting massive higher high-low pattern on the upside. FNO data suggests the likely trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,900 to 23,000 zone. India VIX has docked towards 11.61 levels and goes in favor of bull camp. Nifty PCR, 10th April, is at 1.38. Nifty PCR, 25th April, is at 1.26. Nifty outlook, the running of bulls shall continue. Nifty, CMP to 2666. Support, 22,500 to 22,450. Resistance, 22,750 to 22,850. Range, 22,500 to 22,850. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 48582. Support, 48,200 to 48,000. Resistance, 48,800 to 49,000. Range, 48,000 to 49,000. Bias, sideways to bullish. Strictly speaking, the optimism at Dalal Street is such that Nifty is defying gravity. The biggest positive takeaway is that Bank Nifty too has joined the conga line of rising sectoral indices. Investors are hoping for the healthy Q4 corporate earnings by banks on the back of strong credit growth, healthy margins and high recoveries. Bank Nifty fresh all-time high is now at 48,716.95 mark. That said, volatility is likely to be the hallmark of this week's trading with several key events on the horizon. 1. Inflation will be front and center this week with the March US Consumer Price Index, CPI, set for release Wednesday, 10th April. 2. The minutes of Fed's March FOMC, Federal Open Market Committee, meeting will be released on 10th April. 3. TCS officially sets afire the ceremonial starters pistol for Q4 earnings season on 12th April. Bottom line, if yesterday's bullish momentum is any indication, then it looks like there's plenty more upside for the benchmark Nifty. Technically, the line in the sand is at Nifty support at 22,303 mark.